Welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome. For you today, one of my favorites, Asian honey garlic potatoes. And you know, when you say honey and you say garlic, and I add a little bit of butter too, you know that this is going to be really good. And it's going to make your day, your family, and your friends' day. Now, on the side, I have a dipping sauce. What is it? Ketchup and some hot sauce. Whatever ratio you put, that's up to you, because it's always going to turn out good. And just take a look at this. Perfect, tender, and it's crispy. If you want it crispier, guess what? Just keep it in the oven a little bit longer. Let me show you how to put this awesome recipe together. Now grab yourself about, I'd say, 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds of potatoes. I'd like you to remove the skins and just chop them up into pieces just like this. Now you can make the pieces larger or make the pieces smaller. That's really up to you. Now make sure that your potatoes are dry. Put them in a working bowl like this, and I want you to add about half a teaspoon of salt. And I want you to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, just like this. And now just mix it around. Here I just grab the bowl and I just toss until I get it exactly the way I want it. Now to make them a bit healthier, we are going to bake them. So into the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes, and halfway through I would like you to give them a little toss or a little flip with your spatula. So let's return when they are ready. So it's been about 40 minutes. Let's take a look. Absolutely perfect. Now if you want them a little bit more crispier, just leave them in a little bit longer, but keep an eye on them. So now take a fork, stab the biggest potato you have. If it goes in easily, you know we are done. Now grab yourself a large or medium sized working pan, and let's add about half a cup of water. Let's put the temperature on medium high. Let's add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. And let's add 1 tablespoon of onion flakes. Now if you want a little bit more intense flavor, add a little bit more. And here comes the good stuff. Half a teaspoon of hot pepper flakes. And now, keeping it still on medium high temperature, let's move it around and let's get this up to the boiling point. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and let's just move that around and incorporate and get it all melted down, because what we have to do now is reduce this liquid. And now let's add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now we keep on moving and mixing it around, and of course everything is reducing. So after a few minutes, when you can do this with the spatula and it clears on the bottom and it's bubbling like this, you know that we are there. So now I want you to taste it. Take the spoon and taste it and see if you want to add something extra to it. As for me, I need it to be just a little bit more on the salty side, so I'm going to add just a pinch of salt, just like this. And now let's put it all together. You can see the sauce is perfect now. It has reduced. Take your potatoes and just put it right into the pan, just like this. And now let's just start moving it around and warming up the potatoes and mixing it and mixing it. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. And guess what? We are done. Of course, I'm bringing it in close to drive everybody crazy, because I want you to make this recipe, or at least try it. So once again, we reached to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Once again, I have to say it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.